Welcome to Sabis Delix and welcome back to yet another amazing recipe. This is home of delicious meals where delicious food made easy with minimal ingredients. On today's video, I want to take you through how I made these super soft and delicious hot dog rolls which are used to prepare hot dogs. So let's get into the video and get to know more. This is the same recipe as bread recipe. So in my bowl, I will add lukewarm milk, and I'm using instant yeast, so I don't need to activate it. I've added yeast and sugar and one egg. I will gently stir to mix well. I will list the ingredients with the exact measurements in the description box. You can check it there. I will sift in all-purpose flour. This is 2.5 cups. I will add salt, half a teaspoon, using my spatula. I will gently mix them, form a dough or until everything comes together. Here we are looking for a soft dough. Remember, our buns need to be soft. Then I'll go in with my clean hands and knead it until it's well cooperated. It can be a little bit sticky, but don't worry about that. Don't even add some flour. We are going to fix it. Transfer your dough in a flat surface. Add some margarine or butter if you have. 2 tablespoons of margarine. Give it a good knead until it's well cooperated, and the dough should be super stretchy and soft, not sticky. I want to thank my new subscribers. Thanks for joining us in this cooking journey, and feel free to leave me a comment, even just to say that you are a new sub. I will be glad to know, and maybe where you come from. To those who are seeing my video for the first time, you're welcome. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. Watch the video up to the end and keep it right here for us to better our cooking skills in our kitchen. And let's go together. Well, I've been kneading this dough for about 12 minutes. And my dough is ready. If you want to know if your dough is well kneaded, simply press the dough with your fingers. When it bounces back, then your dough is good. In your bowl, grease it with oil and place the dough in the bowl and cover with a cling film and let it rest for about 1 hour or until it double the size. And 1 hour has gone. My dough has double the size. I'm going to give it a light punch to release the air bubbles that were trapped in. Then I'm going to transfer my dough in a flat surface. That's the surface with the flour before placing your dough. Transfer your dough in a flat surface. Then at this point, don't knead it. I'm going to form a rod shape. I'm just trying to tuck it in. Using my scraper, I'm going to divide it into small equal pieces. Put the pieces aside, then flatten the individual pieces using your hands or using a rolling pin, whichever works for you. Then tuck in your dough. We are making a sausage shape here, and ensure you seal the seams. Pinch the seams to seal it well so that it doesn't open once it has proof. Roll it to seal completely. Then place it in your baking tray lined with parchment paper. And we are going to continue with the same process until all the pieces are done. Tuck it in, then pinch the seam to seal, then roll it. Try to make it longer, about 6 inches. Then take it to the baking tray. This is the size. We'll continue with the same process until all the dough turn and roll into sausage shape. Just watch what I'm doing. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Hit that like button and feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. Help me grow this channel, support my channel, and if you find this kind of content useful, don't forget to subscribe and watch the video up to the end so that you don't miss each and every step. Arrange them well in your baking tray, not touching each other. I'm going to proof them for the second time, and I will just cover it with a kitchen towel and place it in a warm place for 30 minutes to proof. Meanwhile, as I wait for my dough to proof, I will preheat my oven 180 degree, and I will beat the egg for an egg wash. 30 minutes, it's over, and I'm going to brush the top of the dough with a beaten egg. The egg wash will make the crust look appetizing and a very beautiful brown, silky brown. If you don't like egg, or if you don't use egg, you can just skip it, or you can do with the milk. Yes, it also does nice job. Then I will take it to my preheated oven. It will bake for 25 to 30 minutes. So my hot dog buns have been in and out of the oven. They are well baked and looking lovely, and even the aroma here is evenly, and they are very soft. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you try this recipe and bring back your feedback. Let your bun cool completely in a cooling rack before handling them. I hope at this time you've hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Keep it right here for the complete recipe of hot dog in my next video. I will show you how to prepare hot dog fillings and how to assemble this delicious hot dog. Top up with caramelized onion, ketchup and mustard sauce. Thanks for watching this video up to this end. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.